Hello everyone, my name is Kumar, Akashanand, legal intern at LEXIS and Company. In this video, I am going to discuss in the continuation of previous videos about right to freedom and the right to freedom. Article 19, the 1B says about that all citizens have the right to assemble peacefully and without arms. So, on reading subclause 3, which says that nothing in subclause B shall affect the operation of any existing law insofar as to impress or prevent the state from making or imposing, in the interest of sovereignty and integrity of India, public order, reasonable restriction on the exercise of rights conferred. So reasonable restriction can be conferred, and any law can be made to put restrictions when the interest is related to the sovereignty and integrity of India or public order. Thank you. I will discuss some other provision in another video. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment below.